Okay, now that we've got our skin pretty much in a structure that we want it to be at, we've got our profiles coming out here, and our profile menus all set up. What we can do, if we plan to use this this skin as one to be released onto the market, or to allow other people to use it as well, is to define some styles that the admin user is able to change. Currently, if we look in the organic farm, which is the project we've been working on, in the styles tab of the skin, you can see a few of the CSS styles are defined here. And if we go into them, admin.css, form.css, you can see there's options for the admin user to change. They can change the text align, some background colors, form warning, and they've got a bit of control over how their site looks after you've created the template, you've handed it off, it's in their hands now. And if they don't want to go in and change the CSS because it's above their level, you can allow them to do that by putting some tags in your CSS sheets so that the styles will appear here. Currently we haven't got style.css coming out here, but if we allow some of the options to be editable, for instance, here we are in organic farm style.css. If we add these tags to the element we want to output there, title will come out as this title here. It's so hard to see. This title here, and help will come out in this section here. So you can direct your admin users to what this is going to change, so they can look at these things and understand what it is that they're changing from their admin panel. So we've got what we've done here is we've added title, body, and the help, the main section of the site. And we've got our body color, the color of the text, the font family, and the font size. Now if we go back into our admin panel, hit refresh there, on our organic farm skin, what wasn't there before will be there now. We've got style.css showing up, and inside the style.css file we've got that, because we added the tags to our CSS file, the system knows to pick up those values and allow them to be changed by the admin user. So the admin user can come in here and change that to whatever color they like and see what that looks like, and they've got a bit of control over how things are going to work. It's a horrible color. But that might not be too bad. So they can control what their site looks like now. Okay, and if you don't want them to have control over all of the tags in there, let's say we don't want them to have control over the color of the text, we can add in a ignore, and that will hit refresh on there, and that'll remove that as an option for them to change. Okay, and then if you do put an ignore in there, hit reset, and then save the changes, and then it'll be ignored. You can see that we've got the ignore in there for the color right now, and the color's being ignored. They don't have that option in there. If we ignore this one, refresh and reset, and it's gone. Save the changes. So you can give you can let the admin users have fine-grained control over what you want to allow them to have control over, by using the tags to include the title and the help tags to include them, and then the ignore tags to to remove anything you don't want them to have control over.